Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back. While leaves make for a great boredom buster for our little fluffy butts, they can also supercharge our garden soil, and even better, it doesn't cost a dime. Unlike compost, which is a bacteria, leaf mold is broken down by fungi, making it perfect for soil structure and moisture retention. Leaves naturally decay over time, turning into a dark, crumbly, soil-like substance. Leaf mold acts as a natural soil conditioner, improving structure and aeration. It enhances water retention. It can hold up to 500% of its weight in water, making it great for sandy soils. It increases microbial life, especially beneficial fungi. It releases slow-release nutrients. It supports root growth by loosening compacted soil, attracts earthworms and beneficial microbes that improves the soil health, and it helps suppress soil-borne diseases by promoting the beneficial fungi. Pile leaves in a shaded area and keep moist. This can take up to 6 months to break down. You can speed up this process by shredding the leaves and turning the pile, or placing them in a yard bag with holes. I have a dedicated side of my yard completely shaded under a canopy of trees for my leaves. It mimics a forest, and I dig up the leaf mold as I need it. You can always visit a natural forest to obtain your leaf mold. Please remember to cover it back up, not leaving the soil bare. You want to keep those microbes alive. Leaf mold is an easy, free way to build healthier soil and thriving plants, even in a Florida sandy soil. Adding leaf mold to fermented liquid fertilizers boosts the beneficial microbial life. It helps plants absorb nutrients and can assist in balancing pH levels in acidic or alkaline soils. To find out how I add leaf mold to my fermented liquid fertilizers, click the video on the screen or in the description box below. I hope you found this video to be helpful and that you give leaf mold a try in your garden this season. Thanks for watching.